FireSprint, we sell tons and tons of these auction paddles and rally fans. They are a great product, generally made out of 4mm corrugated plastic, lightweight, very durable, very inexpensive. We do thousands of them every single day, and this is how we produce them. We print them on large sheets, cut them out on our Zoom cutters, and dump them into a tray. One of the questions we get is, can you number the auction paddles? Of course we can. We number them all. You can see piles of them all in here, totally numbered. Just give us the range of numbers that you want to hit. The other thing that we get asked every once in a while is, can they be kept in order? And unfortunately we cannot, and this is why. Even though they are kind of kept in order on the big sheets, once they're dumped in and stacked up, it would be crazy time consuming to do that. So they are sent to you kind of randomly, but they're still a really great product. These are the 3 samples that you will get in our full sample kit. So if you order our full sample kit, we'll put a link down there below. You'll get these so that you can show, they're unbranded, you can show your customers directly. Check us out at firesprint.com.